Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to talk about what are the available methods to make your Bank of Singapore's credit card payment. If you want to go ahead and make your payment, then what you can do is here you could see the list of ways to pay your credit card bills. First thing, you could go with the internet banking, a convenient option that's available from home. And next thing, you could go with the ATM. You could go ahead and make payments at any ATM that's affiliated with your bank, or you could also go ahead and set up a GIRO now arrangement with the bank to automatically deduct the bill each month. You could also mail a check or drop it off at a bank branch, making sure to write the credit card number on the bank. If you want to go with the next one, you could go with a post as well or in person to pay your bills. You could see these are some of the other methods that's available to make your credit card payments. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.